How to manage WhatsApp storage. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can manage your WhatsApp storage. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's begin. So previously, WhatsApp had the Media Hub feature on the mobile app, which it has discontinued. So what you can still do to manage your storage is through standard storage and data settings. So what we'll do is locate our WhatsApp app, then open it up. After you open up your WhatsApp, tap on the three dots on the top right. Then tap on settings. And on your settings, you'll find your storage and data. Head over there. And from here, you'll find the manage storage option. Tap on manage storage. So from here, you can manage your storage. You'll find tools to save space. You can tap on turn on disappearing messages to stay in control of full storage needs. And from here, you can set your account for default message timer and apply timer to chats. You can also see the manage downloads option. So you can disable that if you want. You can see the downloads that you have on your WhatsApp. And yeah, that's what you can do from this very space. So key management tools right here are the manage storage. You can also review and delete items from your WhatsApp, and you can simply manage your storage. And that's how you do it. What you can do instead of that is stop your auto download. You can disable your auto download, which will prevent media from automatically saving to your phone. So what you can do is head over to your media auto download. So come to your storage and data. After you're here, you should find media auto download section at the bottom. So just choose no media for all of them. When you do that, you will no longer be downloading any of the media automatically to your phone. And yeah, that's how you can manage your WhatsApp storage. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.